What's going on, everybody? Welcome for the first time. We're back to another DLJ Works video. And what we're going to do is we're going to answer this question. Do I need to have a separate email list if I'm building and working on my Uscreen platform? All right. That's the question I wanted to answer because I'm helping out a partner of mine right now in terms of developing strategies for him and trying to actually figure out what's the best customer acquisitions and best ways to serve customers. And I was thinking about creating an email list using a service like Aweber or MailChimp. These are autoresponder email services that if you're trying to build an email list, you would do that. But that just seemed like double work and a lot of extra money to be paying. So one of the questions I said to Rob Balasabas, head over affiliate marketing at Uscreen. Hey Rob, long time no see. I have a content strategy question. Should Uscreen creators still focus on building an email list, or do you think that energy should be focused on funneling people directly to Uscreen, the Uscreen platform as a Uscreen creator? Now, I wasn't very clear in this question. I basically should have just said that, do I need to build a separate email list on something like Aweber or MailChimp? Or is that something that's already built into Uscreen? And this is going to be a testament to just how powerful Uscreen is. It's a one-stop shop, an all-in-one solution for if you're trying to be a streaming creator and you're trying to build your own Netflix. All right. It's a one-stop shop and it's very powerful. Here's his answer. Of course, he says, I'm not sure I fully understood your question because I made it more complicated than what it needed to be in my efforts and quest to try to make it more simply. But this is what he said. The best benefit that Uscreen can provide for creators is to be a place for a creator to build their membership and easily connect payments, landing page building, video hosted delivery of the content to their members. When their members sign up for the membership or free trial, the member has to create an account, which requires their email address. So the creator is building an email list simply by building their membership, and boom, that is the answer that we're looking for. Now I need to go to the showing you. So here we're going to go on the back end, and I'm doing this really quick because I don't want to take up too much of your time, and I want to provide this solution as quickly as possible. First off, let me go ahead and show you where this is going to be done at. So when people are naturally signing up to your Uscreen account, all right, when they're coming on and they're actually, you're a creator, you have some sort of platform like Gonzo or whatever, I'm just making up a name for, a cooking show platform or something, this is a manual way that you can actually invite people, but people have to insert their email address and everything else when they're trying to actually go into your platform. This is the back end. Let me go back some and let's go to, is it website here? Okay, so let's actually go to visit my website. I'm gonna open this up in a new tab. All right, so when they go up here, you created your front end platform, you got your theme set up, your back end, and they go to sign in. This is where they're going to be actually trying to create their login or what have you. All right. Actually, no, let me see here. Well, you're going to create a place basically where they're going to actually have to sign in for the first time. They have to pick, however you're going to set this up, they have to pick a plan or whatnot. So I'm going to go choose a plan. And then from here, they'll go ahead and they'll start to put in their email address, their information, etc., and so on. So this naturally is you actually building that email subscription list. But on the back end, though, if we go to people, once the people are actually here, this is the system. This is the area where you're actually going to start sending those autoresponder emails to your customer base. So if I put in my name here, I'm actually add myself. So I'm put in Deshaun Johnson. All right, and maybe I'll actually use my other email address. Okay, let's actually use dljworksforyou@gmail.com. Okay, and you can also insert multiple customers at once, but we're not going to go through that right now. Your invite to store title, and then we'll just leave everything basic right here. Actually, we're not even going to put this in. I'm just going to delete all this. Hi, username. This invite is for your store title. Okay. So this is the autoresponder message, okay? And this is going to be this actually message that I just deleted. Let me hit Control Z. When people first sign up, this is the message that they're going to be sent for their email login address and their password for verification, that sort of thing. But if you also want to use this backend to send other emails to different people and everything else, you can also do that as well. So I'm gonna go to invite. We're going to test this out. Now let me go back to my email address here. All right, customer invite. Okay. All right, email has already been taken because, of course, I'm using this for my own platform and everything else. So yeah, but this is where you're going to actually have your list of your email list built up here on this back end underneath people, and where you can actually manually send emails in a way that you would need to without having to sit up here and go to something like Aweber or MailChimp. So Uscreen.tv, if you're trying to build your own streaming platform, is going to be a one-stop shop for you to do everything that you need to do when you're trying to actually build your own Hulu, Netflix, whatever niche you're trying to dominate in. You're trying to build that platform. That's going to be it for this video. I wanted to just shoot this really quickly and kind of show you another benefit, huge, powerful benefit when it comes to actually leveraging this platform where you become a member and you're trying to be a creator on here. All right. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down in the description below, and we will go from there. Talk to you guys soon.